If you're running a small business, you need a simple, reliable way to track your income and expenses without the confusion and cost of complicated bookkeeping software. That's where our free small business bookkeeping template comes in. All you have to do is type in a bit of setup and transaction information into the yellow cells throughout the spreadsheet, and the template calculates your profit and loss numbers for you. You don't have to do anything else, which makes it perfect for startups, sole traders, and small business owners who'd like to track their finances without needing an accounting degree. To get your copy of the template, click on either the Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets link in the description below, pop in your email address, and the free template will be sent straight to your inbox. Once you open your template, go to the Business Details tab and then type in your business's name. Next, pick the month and year you'd like to start tracking your finances. The template will automatically set up the 12-month date range for your financial year. Next, go to the Chart of Accounts tab and enter the names of up to 5 categories of revenue and 20 categories of expenses. Now that your template is set up, let's go to the Transactions tab, where you can enter up to 500 transactions. For each transaction, you need to enter a date, which must be within the date range of your financial year, or you'll get an error message from one of the inbuilt error checks. Next, choose a category from the drop-down list, which has all the revenue and expense categories you entered in the Chart of Accounts. If you choose a revenue category, you simply enter the amount as a positive number. If you choose an expense category, you'll enter the amount as a negative number. If you enter an amount without a date or category name, the cells will highlight red and the amount won't flow through to your income statement. This is another inbuilt error check that helps keep your income statement reliable. All you need to do is fill in the date and category name, and the amount will flow through to your income statement. The next few fields are not compulsory, so you can leave any of them blank if you like, but if you want to fill them in, you can enter anything you like for the description, enter something like an invoice or bill number for the reference, and add a hyperlink to a document stored on the cloud in the document field. At any time, you can check the profitability of your business by going to the income statement. At the top of the report, you'll see the business name and date range you entered on the Business Details tab. And further down, you'll see the revenue and expense categories you entered in your Chart of Accounts. Your revenue transactions will flow through as positive numbers here, and your expense transactions will flow through as negative numbers here. At the bottom of your report, you'll see your net profit as a number and as a percentage of your total revenue. As you enter more transactions over time, they'll flow through to your income statement, so you can keep a close eye on your overall profitability in real time. As you can see, this template gives you everything you need to easily track your finances, which makes it great for startups and simple businesses. But if you need more than that, check out our great value advanced bookkeeping templates that include things like more flexible financial year dates, more income and expense categories, asset purchase categories, room for 20,000 transactions, GST, VAT, and sales tax calculations, and a more detailed income statement, a dashboard, and a summary report. We've got specific templates for small businesses in Australia, Canada, the USA, and the UK, and global templates that you can use no matter what country you're in. A link to our selection of advanced bookkeeping templates is in the description below, so feel free to check them out if you need something more sophisticated than our free template. But for now, go ahead and grab your copy of our free Excel or Google Sheets bookkeeping template by clicking on one of the links in the description below and telling us where to send it. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps with your small business bookkeeping.